Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
Hello friends and welcome to another video of Technical Chaharji. In today's video we are going to talk about the latest phone from the Infinix, which is Infinix Note 5 Stylus. Yes, you heard it right. This phone is coming with the Stylus, and if you're a big fan of the Stylus phones, you should buy this. So without wasting time, I'm your friend Manish and I'm watching Technical Chaharji, so let's get straight into the video. And if you're a big fan of the stylus and want to use it, which is offering in the Note 9 series of the Samsung, the same stylus you can use it right here in this phone. And I know the phone is not getting much of the watch time and much of the footage on the YouTube as well. So right here I'm covering it on my YouTube channel, and this is the first ever Infinix phone which I'm covering on my YouTube channel. I hope you will like it. So let's start with the specification of this phone. If I more talk about the specification of this phone is of around 6 inches, 5.983 inches you can say, particularly say, and it's coming is to 18:9 aspect ratio, a small bezel on the top and on the bottom you can see. And then in the back there's a single camera of 60 megapixel camera, and on the front also there's a big camera of the 60 megapixel camera, which is the same as of the rear camera and can be used to click a decent photos. This phone is coming with a huge battery of around 4000 mAh. If I more talk about the specification, the RAM and the storage, this phone is coming with the 4 GB of RAM and the 64 GB of internal storage. But not worry, if you want to have a greater storage, you have a 128 GB of storage coming to expandable is coming with this phone. This phone is backed by the Android 8.1 and Android 1 program is already installed on this. So as per the latest update, you're going to get the latest update month or maybe 2 to 3 months on this Infinix phone. Moreover, if I say the heart of the phone, I always talk about the heart of the phone is very important for any phone to function correctly. This phone comes with the MediaTek P23 octa-core processor, the same processor which we have seen in the Oppo F5 series last year, but this time is coming with the Infinix Note 5 Stylus. Overall the phone looks decent, and overall the usage the phone is very much decent. Let's talk more about the Stylus phone. Let's more talk about the X Pen or the stylus which is coming with this phone. With this stylus you can quickly write a note on your phone or even do a drawing over the phone. With the usage of the stylus there not been any lag and you can use it decently. But here's a catch point. In this processor, if you're planning to play a heavy game, I personally recommend to stay away from this phone. Overall the phone looks very much decent, even in the camera samples which I've taken. And even with the camera quality, the phone seems out to be very much okay. So let's talk about the price of this phone. The price is a little bit on the higher, is of around 15,999 only. But if you're a big fan of the X Pen and if you're a big fan of the stylus and want to use it, and flaunt it to your friends that you're using the same stylus which is present in the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 series. So here's the phone big much for you. I personally recommend this phone for you, but if you're a heavy gamer, please stay away from this phone. So I leave this video for you if you're planning to buy, whether you should buy this phone or not, depending on your usage and depending on your style and your preference. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your friend, and there's a red button below. Please do subscribe before leaving this video. Till my next video, see you soon.